wanted to give him a little, just a little play, give you a little love.
Yes, on your feet, on your feet.
Sit.
Short time, 20 seconds. I need one, Ross. I need one. Give me an escape. Stand up hard. Stand up hard. Short time. Stand up hard. Left leg up. Stand up. Left leg up. You got it, Ross. You got it. You got it. Circle out. Face him, face him, face him. Face him. Hips out. Hey, good job.
Hey, but Russ, yes,
Get here.
You gotta put your hip out. You can't break nobody locked that way.
Hey, let's go down.
4-3. Explode. There you go.
There,
fight.
there,
Fight.
There you
Get your
go.
head up.
Turn your hips out.
Get your hips out.
Turn one hip out.
Sit.
Again, do it again. Do it again, Ross. You got it. Hips out. Yes.
Hey, now you're into it. Let's go. This is what you want.
Don't fight on it.
Don't bite.
Stretch that leg out. Snatch it.
I know.
Hey.
He broke his ankle earlier.
Snap. Yep, you'll be all right. Good.
Good job.
Hey, finish through.
Yes.
Yeah! Crawl up the back! Half! Jump!
Hey, give me a wrist.
Go Nelson.
Hey, look. Russ, he's tired.
Oh yeah.
Russ, he's tired. Go.
Don't hesitate.
No
Go ahead.
hesitation. All pressure.
That boy is winded. Hey!
Hey, he got nothing else. Let's go. We're working here.
Shoot!
Level change.
Shoot there!
He's standing straight up.
Shoot!
On your feet.
Finish! Reshoot!
I need an escape. Up. Yes, keep coming up. Up, separate. Up again.
High hips!
Russ, you got 30
Circle your
seconds to
hips
move.
out. Circle left. Circle your hips out. Keep circling.
Keep circling.
Finish
it!
Bring your hips to the front.
One.
Come on.
Oh. Hey, you're down. 20 seconds. Give me one.
Hey, Ross, look. He's tired, bro. Let's go. Let's move.
Whoa. Rest.
I was about to throw up. Oh yeah, let it out.
That's my backpack.
Maybe I shouldn't get this on video.